Um, let's discuss some of the array methods in JavaScript. So to demonstrate, I have created an array AR1 with four values 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the first method which we are going to discuss is at method. So at is a method and to retrieve the value at the index specified in the specified as the arguments of this at function. So if we see ar1 dot at 1, 1 is the index, so at 1 we have a value 2. So if we just run this program and see, we get it. So this is the at method. The second method we're going to discuss is a join method. So suppose we want a string which contains these elements 1, 2, 3, and 4 joined by some string. Like between these numbers, I want some common string. I've taken a star. So I want this to be present between all these elements, and the new string should be returned to me. So this is what the join method does. So let me just print it. Yeah, so it's giving me a string with all the four values joined by a star. So this is the join method. Push method. So push is a method in JavaScript which works on arrays. When we want to push any value or add a value at the end of the array, like we have this array 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the end I want to add a 5. So I have written ar1 dot push of 5. Now this will push the value 5 at the end of this array, and this will return the value 5. Let's just see. Yeah, so it has returned the value 5, and after that I have logged the array. So the I get the new array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after logging. So this is push method. And next method is pop. So pop is when we want to remove the last element from the array. So right now, I'll just clear my screen. My array has 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to remove this element 4. So I just need to write ar1 dot pop. So this will remove me the element 4 and return me the new value that is returned. See, when I write ar1 dot pop, it is returning me the value that is popped 4, and when I console ar1, it gives me the new array after removing that element. This is pop method. Now we have a shift and unshift method. So similar to shift and unshift are similar to push and pop. As push and pop work on the last element, shift and unshift work on the beginning of the array. So shift is basically when we want to remove the first element from the array. We want to remove one from this array, so we'll write ar1 dot shift, and this shift method will return us the removed element 1, and when I log this new new array ar1, it will give the new array. So let's just see it practically. Yeah, it has returned me the value that has been removed, and it prints the new array. Now this is shift method. Now we'll be saying unshift method. So unshift is basically when we want to add a new element to at the beginning of the array. I want to add the element 9 at the array. So I'll just write ar1 dot unshift. One very important thing to notice here is unshift doesn't return the element which is added. Unshift basically returns the new length of the array after adding the new value. So the current length of this array is 4. So when we write ar1 dot unshift and we give the argument the value which we want to put at the beginning, so it will modify this array. It will add 9 at the beginning, but the return value of this function will be the length of the new array. So the first console statement will give me 5, and the next console statement will show me the new array. Let's see this practically. Yeah. So this is it. So these are few of the array methods in JavaScript.